good afternoon. This is Marty at the Village Collection. Today is July 29th, Wednesday, and we are looking at the Echo Lane project. This is for the ADU, and this is the laundry that goes in the ADU. This is just getting queued up to go into our finishing shop. I know that we're missing the piece of hardware that goes in here. That's actually coming later today, but we want to get this broken down and into the finishing shop, so that's why I'm showing it to you without that pull-out unit in there. But the matching panel is right here ready to go on. Real quick, you can look at the beautiful grain match. The Rift White Oak looks absolutely, I guess, perfect. We have the bottom skin that goes underneath here, and it's pre-routed for the lighting and the light housing, which is going to go up underneath here. You have the finished ends on this side, and then where it butts to the wall here, you have the extended style so that it can be scribed to the finished wall. And you have top trim, toe kick skin, bottom skin, adjustable shelf here, and the drawer. So anyways, that pretty much wraps up this area. I just wanted to show it to you real quick before we get into the finishing shop. So thank you for watching, and again, looking forward to seeing this one installed as well. So thank you.